Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to edit the page dimension in Adobe InDesign. So let's get started. At first you have to open your InDesign software. You can see here we opened the document. Now you want to change or edit the dimension of the page. Go to the file menu and select the document setup option. You can enable this document setup using the keyboard shortcut key. Press Ctrl Alt and P on your keyboard. Now you can see here the page size. Now I make the page size 8.5 and 7. Then click OK. Now you can see we change the page dimension easily. You can make the page size another. Again go back the option and select the letter and click OK. Now you can see we change the page size very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.